This could get interesting. Hopefully everything works out well. There goes Captain's little brother. Hopefully he can make it back. He's up in a tree. See the birds on the wire. See the sky dancer. Keep it close, from what I was told. Keep the hawks off of them. Feel like a newborn parent, or a parent waiting for a newborn baby. No sign of Captain's little brother. He's out there somewhere. But as you guys can see in the little aviary in the front of the cage, we got all the late first rounds that haven't been in the trapping system as long as the other guys. And we got Bebop, but another couple weeks they're gonna get their shot. Just taking it slow and steady, letting these guys take their time, not pushing them, not rushing them. So eventually their instinct's gonna kick in, they're gonna take off, and that's when it's really gonna get fun. Right now they're learning. I guess for a lack of better words, this is where the rubber meets the road. And I'm not gonna lie, I am very, very nervous. So let's see what happens. Hope these guys are smart, because the next door neighbor's got cats that live out in their backyard. Go. Come on. There goes the dark checker. He just landed. Well, so far we got 13 out of the 14 young birds back in. I got this one right here. This is Bebop's little brother. It is a little cockbird. He took off as soon as he hit that landing board outside. He's been out for about 3 or 4 hours. Been checking on him. Nothing. Came outside, started whistling, started calling him. He flew down out of a tree, tried to land on my head. The only one that's still left out is this one. This blue checker right here is nestmate. It is Crank's baby, so it is a Jansen de Clack Morris Gordon. This dude right here was so stubborn trying to get him in, so I don't know. So I still got one out here. Maybe he's around. Gonna leave the trap open for a while for him. If he gets back, he gets back. We are finally at the point where the rubber meets the road.